Hello and welcome again. Today we'll be talking about the blend tool in Adobe Illustrator, which basically lets you morph the shapes and colors of two or more objects. Let's find out how. I'll start by creating two circles. Let's give it a gradient fill. Next, you'll select both objects, go to Object, Blend, and Blend Options. Let's choose Specified Steps and enter 400. Then go again, Object, Blend, and Make. It created a very basic blend between these two shapes. What I want to do is double-click on this end, right-click, and Arrange, Bring to Front. If you notice, it will change the direction of the blend. I could also scale one end and even rotate it, and you'll always get different results. Now, what if I want to have this blend follow a path? Let's choose a path. I select both objects, go to Object, Blend, and Replace Spine. I could also change the size of each end by clicking on the starting shape, and I could arrange it and send it to back. This will change the flow of the blend. Or you can even change the starting shape without creating a new blend. Let's choose a star here. I can even change the path. You can always draw any path you'd like. Let's use the paintbrush here and replace the spine by selecting both objects, Object, Blend, and Replace Spine. And there you go. That'll be the end of our video for today. I hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you later.